Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am about to do a speed clean of my house. It's Friday and we just got back from a fall market and we have some plans tonight. So I have about an hour to get some cleaning done. So I'm going to be cleaning the bare essentials, just everything to make my house look a little bit more put together and clean before the weekend. So if you guys need some cleaning motivation, you're in the right place. Make sure to like this video if you like cleaning videos and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. So okay, before I get started cleaning, I wanted to show you guys the situation on the fireplace. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, which you totally should, I'll have my handle linked here, but we just got this fireplace and a couple of the pieces were damaged, so they sent us replacement pieces, and those two pieces over there are good, but this one here, the mantle part, is busted up as well. So they are sending us a third piece, and it's weird because the same spot is busted on both pieces. You can't really see it over there, but it is a little damaged. So that's the situation. I've got to try to move this myself unless I wait for Taylor to get home, but this is a lot heavier than it looks. So I'm going to try my best to move that. There's all kinds of like styrofoam packaging on the floor too from that. And Brooks got a hold of it. So there is styrofoam all over the floor in here. So I'm going to try to clean that up and then move this box into the garage so Taylor can leave it out for the trash. So that's what I am doing now. I also have to clean the kitchen and get it nice and ready for the weekend. There's some dishes and stuff in there and straighten everything up. So let's go ahead and get started. In case you guys are wondering, this is what I picked up from the fall market. This is a leather air freshener from a boutique called Revive Wild West. It's one of my favorite places to shop, and this one was $9. You can order it online, and it smells so good. I love that Western look, so I'm going to put this in my car a little bit later. And then these leather earrings are gorgeous. I don't know if it's focusing or not. Okay, there we go. But they are actual like fur material, but they are leather on the back. So they are super lightweight, so cute for the fall. I can't wait to wear these. They were $14, and I'll try to link their website if they have one down below. Starting out this cleaning routine, picking up the living room just a little bit. I don't know why, but I had the hardest time getting motivated this day. Sometimes I feel really motivated to clean the house, and other times I don't. So I don't want you guys to think that my house is perfectly clean all the time, because it definitely isn't. But when I'm in a time crunch, I do like to make a list of certain things that I would like to get done just to make sure the house feels a little bit put together. So when I do that, I always like to pick everything up. As you can see, these fireplace pieces, I could have left them, but having the clutter around just drives me nuts. So I like to pick everything up. I like to clean the kitchen, the floors, and bathrooms. Even if it's just the toilets and countertops, I feel like that makes the house just feel really clean. So that's my main priority for this video and this power hour of cleaning. It's not about making your house spotless, it's just hitting those key points. So those are my key points. Now I want to ask you guys, if you could only clean one area of your house, what would it be? Would it be your kitchen? Would it be your bathrooms, your bedroom? What would it be? For me, I think I would say the kitchen, just because if I can clean my countertops and get the dishes up and have everything wiped down, it feels really clean, and then I can just shut all my doors and not have to look at my bedroom or the bathrooms or laundry room or the kids or Brooks's room, not the kids' rooms, but if I could just clean the kitchen, I think I'd be good. And then later, if I needed to hurry up and clean the living room, I could do that really quick. So mine would be the kitchen, but let me know what your guys' area would be down below in the comments.
down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, no, it's no more, no. No, it's no more, no, it's no more, we don't know.
After I get all of the dishes out of the dishwasher and put back up into the cabinets, I just had a couple of dishes left in the sink that needed cleaned, so I'm going to go ahead and just wash those by hand just so I can have it done and out of the way. But I did want to mention these gloves with you guys. I get these gloves from the Dollar Tree and they're only $1, and I used to spend like $3 to $4 at Target or Walmart getting gloves. So check out Dollar Tree if you need gloves like I do whenever you wash your dishes. And I'm going to be using my Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice dish soap today. I love this smell. It is awesome. It smells just like fall. If you guys want your free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer set, if you are a new customer to Grove, you can sign up using my link below as long as you make a $20 purchase. And I love Grove Collaborative. This is where I get most of my cleaning products from.
But I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got sins. I'm my worst enemy, but I still got
Right, dishes are done and it feels so good. Usually I always have dishes in the dishwasher, so it feels good to have none in the sink, none in the dishwasher, and I can just move on with my day. Now I am cleaning my countertops with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the apple cider scent. This is my favorite scent of the fall Mrs. Meyer's. I think it's so good, so homey.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands,
Another tip to clean your house really quickly is to light a candle once you're done. It'll just make your house smell so homey and clean. Moving on to our little mud area, I'm just picking up some balls and straightening everything up. Nothing too major, but just doing these little steps makes the area look a lot more clean. And then I'm moving into our master bathroom and I'm wiping down the countertops, and I did clean the toilet, but I didn't film that. So I think just having this area clean makes the whole house feel cleaner. And I'm going to finish the other 2 bathrooms later on this evening. I just didn't have enough time. I'm also going to go ahead and take out our trash. I do this about once a day, believe it or not, because we put Brooks's diapers in the trash. And what I do to help with the smell is I use this Grab Green Diaper Pail Spray. It is a game changer product, you guys. If you put diapers into the trash can, even if you use the little disposable bags to put them in, it still smells no matter what, even if you use a diaper pail. So get this stuff from Grove Collaborative. It's amazing. Now I'm going to vacuum the styrofoam in the rooms. Look how good the styrofoam vacuums up with my Shark vacuum. I couldn't believe it worked this well. I'll have my vacuum link below. What I love about it is it has a carpet and a hardwood setting, so you can use it on all of your floors, which is so convenient. I hate having to use like a million different tools to get my house clean. So I'm vacuuming my master bathroom, our master bedroom, and then I'm going to do the main living area, which is the kitchen, the living room, that area. And there was some more styrofoam on the hardwood floor and it vacuumed it all up really well. So cleaning the floors just makes my house feel a lot more put together and clean and tidy. Colt does shed, our dog. He's a King Charles Cavalier, and I'm constantly having to vacuum because of all of the dog hair. It drives me nuts, but it is what it is, and this vacuum does a really good job, so that helps.
Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Alright guys, that is all I have time for today. The only thing I didn't get to was folding a load of laundry and mopping my floors. So I'm planning on doing that either later tonight or tomorrow morning. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, give it this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and let me know what you want to see in my next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.